Welcome back to Data Solution. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, I will show you how to change data type of data frame. So before going to start, I request you to please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's get started and create first data frame countries_df, and here I am reading file from storage account DWS for DL for Jan2. We already created in previous video from demo container, and we read here countries.csv file header true and schema we define here stack type and stacked field. Stack type belongs to row and stacked field belongs to column, and you can see here country_id integer data type name. These are the data type we defined here, and we already imported here pysquare.sql.types. We import here integer data type, string, double, stacked field and stack type. So we define here schema, and now let us create here data frame called countries_df. So first run this command, shift enter to execute. Here data frame is created. Let's verify using show command. Shift enter to execute, and you can see here we created successfully data frame. Now let us check data type of country_df data frame. So you can write here and use here attribute d types and shift enter, and you can see here data type of each column. Here country is integer, name, string and so on. Now let us suppose we want to change data type of population to integer data type. You can see here this is double data type. Now I want to change in integer. So how to change of data frame of population column? You can simply write here countries_df dot select column which you want to change data type. I am using method square bracket, and in square bracket write here population column. Here column is case sensitive, so write here. And now to change data type we can use here cast function. Cast, let us suppose we want to change into double into integer data type. So you can write here integer data type and opening bracket and closing bracket. Shift enter to execute, and you can see here we successfully change here data type of population column double to integer. Now let us suppose we want to change using SQL data type. You can also use here pasting, and instead of integer data type you can use here simply int, and this is also work. Okay, so you can see here we successfully change population to integer data type. Now let us suppose we want to change data type region which is integer into string. So how we can change? We want to change region column. So let us select here country_df dot select df country_df, and in square bracket I want to change region data type. Use here cast function and use here string data type. In without using quote, use here string data type. Okay, opening bracket and closing bracket. Shift enter to execute. We successfully change here string data type. Here is the region integer data type. Now you can also use here str function str. Okay, right here full name. Now you can see here we change here string data type using SQL data type. Now let us import without using a schema. Now let's create a new data frame without defining a schema, and let's check now data type. Now you can see here all the column has data type string. Now let us suppose we want to change here data type of population to integer. So it makes sense how to change which is string into integer. So let's select here, let us use here select method population, and now let's use here cast function in a small letter, and you can also use int. Let's use int, and we successfully change here string to integer data type. You can also use Spark data type of data frame which is integer data type, and opening and closing bracket, and shift enter. Now you can see here we also change here data type of population column using integer type data type. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.